Hi, this is Joël Meyer. I will show you how to create a Christmas wreath. Take a paper plate. Draw a circle on the bottom of the plate, but keep part of the flat bottom of the plate. Cut out the circle in the middle of the plate without cutting the edge of the plate. I propose two models of wreaths. The first will be made with leaves shaped like holly leaves. Since holly is green, paint the edge of the plate in a shade of green that is close to the paper you will use for the leaves. To draw the holly leaves, first draw a model. Take a small piece of paper and fold it in half. Trace the profile of one side of the holly leaf. Cut out the two layers of paper and unfold the sheet. And there you have a pattern of a holly leaf. In the supporting document, you will find a page with holly leaves that you can directly print on green construction paper. You can use several shades of green for the holly leaves. Trace and cut out the holly leaves. Fold each leaf in half lengthwise to give them volume. If the construction paper you are using is thick, score the center of the leaves with an X-Acto knife and fold the paper in half. Glue two rows of holly leaves on the plate, one on the outside edge of the plate and the other on the edge of the bottom of the plate. For this model of wreath, I started at the bottom of the wreath and directed the leaves in opposite directions to meet at the top. Glue the leaves in place with a glue gun. When you finish the wreath, you can decorate it with a nice bow at the top or bottom of the wreath. You can also add small red pom-poms to represent the holly berries. Finally, to be able to hang the wreath, make a loop with a ribbon. Glue the loop at the top of the back of the wreath. Here is a second model of wreath with leaves of a more general shape. To create your leaf pattern, proceed as for the holly leaf. You will find a page of leaves of the other model in the supporting document. I chose to use paper with gold glitter, so I painted the edge of the plate in gold. Then, I glued the leaves in two concentric circles, but I chose to go all the time in the same direction. To decorate the wreath, I put little bells where there were holes between the two rows of leaves. I wish you a lot of fun creating and decorating your Christmas wreath. Let your creativity shine. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube Animaplates channel and also click on the bell to be notified of our new videos. To access the downloadable document, visit the Animaplates website. See you soon!